In today's video, we're going to be looking at the set zero function, how to complete this and when you may need to use it. Upon changing pickups on your S-100 device, when you are set square and parallel to the part, but are not in the centre of the gauge range, you will want to carry out the set zero function. To complete this, enter the menu and select Advanced and then Set Zero. You want to ensure that you are using a smooth part such as a glass flat or the smooth section of the provided RA patch. When you're in contact with the part and are happy that you are set square and parallel, press the measure button. The system will then carry out a calculation before presenting you with a zero set OK message. Once this is complete, it's important that you then carry out a calibration before continuing on with further measurements.